Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the muscles of the head that produce facial expressions and the muscles of mastication. First, we have the corrugator supercilii muscle. This is the orbicularis oculi muscle, orbicularis in a circle around the eye. On the other hand, we have the orbicularis oris muscle, oris, around the mouth. This entire muscle is the occipitofrontalis muscle, also called the epicranius muscle. The epicranius muscle, it has two bellies. This is the frontal belly, also called the frontalis muscle. This is the occipital belly, also called the occipitalis muscle. And this right here is the epicranial aponeurosis. Moving to the zygomaticus minor right here, and this is the zygomaticus major. Both are the zygomaticus minor and major. Next, we have the levator labii superioris. Levator, it elevates, labii, the lip, and it is located superiorly. Right here, we have the levator anguli oris. Levator, it elevates, anguli, the angle, oris of the mouth. So both are levator, both elevates, one for the lip and one for the angle of the mouth. This muscle right here is the mentalis muscle. In the anatomical terminology, this is the mental region, which is the chin. On the opposite side, we have the depressor labii inferioris. Depressor, it pulls downward the lip and it is located inferiorly. So don't confuse the levator labii superioris with the depressor labii inferioris. Also, we have the depressor anguli oris. It pulls the angle of the mouth downwards. This is the levator anguli oris, that's the depressor anguli oris. This right here is the rhizoris muscle. Right under the rhizoris muscle, we have the buccinator muscle. This right here, on top of the temporal bone, we have the temporalis muscle. This is the masseter muscle. This right here, we can see part of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. This is the splenius capitis muscle. And this we can see part of the trapezius muscle. Anteriorly, we have the platysma, which covers the entire anterior aspect of the neck. Moving to the muscles of mastication, we have the temporalis muscle. We can see the masseter muscle. This is the buccinator muscle. On that view, we can only see these muscles right here. The muscle that surrounds the mouth is the orbicularis oris muscle. Right here, we have the lateral pterygoid and the medial pterygoid muscle. Notice how we remove the temporalis muscle and part of the zygomatic process of the temporal bone so that we can see the lateral pterygoid muscle. This right here is the medial pterygoid muscle, and this is part of the masseter muscle.